next guest manufactures some of the world's first smart and safe cycling helmets. For people of all ages, by the way. Cameron, our 6-year-old Cameron, who's always reminding you to call in and win stuff, uses a LIVALL bike helmet and is always safe riding his bicycle, because we know if he should fall, he's going to not hurt his head for sure. So here to tell us all about what they are doing these days is the marketing manager with LIVALL, Thomas Reipschlaeger. I hope I got that right, Thomas.
Thank you very much.
Welcome into tomorrow. How you doing?
Fine. And you?
Oh, we're doing just fine. And great to see you here at IFA, because you guys are always showing some cool things that are protecting people, and that makes it even more worthy of discussion.
Yes, that was also our goal with these products, to help guys to protect themselves and get more attraction to them, also in the traffic. Guys don't want to wear helmets because they look ugly,
or they're not cool. They think, I don't want to be seen by my friends wearing a helmet. Gee.
And we try to invent something to get the user to wear the helmet, so to have benefits for it. In case there's a helmet with 4 parts or made of 4 parts, the first part is the helmet itself, to protect the people.
Sure.
The second part is a light, also with an indicator, so you can control it by an control mounted on your stem.
And those who might just be listening on the radio at the moment, visit us at intotomorrow.com, and you're going to see this very cool thing that Thomas is showing, because we're shooting video of all the radio interviews from Berlin. But you have turn signals on the back of the helmet.
Yes.
As well as just safety lights in general. They can flash or otherwise. Yes. But I liked how, can you do the turn signals again? I thought that was very cool. It's like, there we go. I'm about to turn left, so if I'm going to be in your way, beware in traffic. But I like how you're doing that, a series of LEDs, and now we're turning right.
Yes.
It's very cool. And I'm going to lift the helmet and just kind of turn it around so everybody can see that it's really neat. So obviously the back of the helmet has the lights.
Yes, of course.
And tell me about the rest of the helmet and the safety of it.
The second part is a headset system. So it's for voice communication. So you can have navigation devices through it, and you connect the helmet to your smartphone. And the smartphone always have the voice communication, so it provides the navigation devices, advices, or the telephone calls, or podcasts, radios, everything which can the handy provide.
Wow, pretty cool. And now the difference between these and this one and the other one that we're going to look at.
Yes.
I see PTT, which I'm assuming is like a push-to-talk.
Yes.
So there's even more technology in one of these other helmets.
The technology is more or less the same.
Okay.
And the idea was more or less the same. This one, the bike helmet, got also a walkie-talkie function.
Oh, very cool. So if you're traveling, biking with others, communicate with each other.
Yes. And this was the basic idea also for the ski helmet, because on the ski helmet you don't need lighting, because you don't ski at night. They just cut the light.
You don't.
But it's also a headset built in. There's the walkie-talkie function built in, so you can listen to music while you're skiing, or having phone calls to just call a colleague who's on the way, showing where you are.
That's very cool, and a very comfortable feel on the inside here.
Yes.
I mean, this would be a helmet that you wouldn't have to worry about wearing for even a long bike ride.
Yes.
And controls, I'm noticing on the other side, power, plus and minus, Bluetooth pairing, the whole bit.
Yes, and it's all controlled by the ear pads, so you don't need to have a handy or a remote control everywhere mounted or anywhere mounted. Just controlled by the ear pads. So rising the volume, or starting the push-to-talk function.
Yeah, you don't need to be fumbling for your cell phone, for example, which you shouldn't be doing driving or riding a bike, or even walking for most people.
And you don't have to put your cell phone out while skiing. It's very cold, so you don't have to put your gloves off when you have some interaction with your smartphone, like starting your voice assistant to do a test message.
We're from Miami. We can't relate to cold outside. that never happens. Gloves? What? You don't wear them, unless it's plastic gloves for handling things. But no, good point. You have the availability. Your hands are free. You're able to just tap on which side or another, depending on what you want to do. And I like the functionality of the walkie-talkie idea, because hopefully you're biking with a friend and maybe a group of friends, and you can stay in touch that way, and it makes it easy.
And all safe.
Yes, everyone is safe.
You don't have to move your hands. It's all on the stem. You can just push a button and everything works on its own.
Ah, very good. And do you have prices on these models currently in U.S. dollars? So give
U.S. dollars should be around $160 for this one and $180 for this one.
Okay. Very cool. More information, of course, at livall.com, LIVALL.com, and we'll get you there. You can see what Thomas and his team are doing on a regular basis, always coming out with cool new things and protecting you into tomorrow. So thank you for spending a few minutes with us. And you have I walked by, you have a very busy exhibit. A lot of people wanting more information. We'll let you get back to your exhibit.
Thank you for having us.
It's our pleasure. Again, livall.com. IntoTomorrow.com for more, and catch the videos of all the radio interviews. You're going to get a kick out of some of the cool stuff that we're showing here. Well, exhibitors are showing, but we're showing you as well at IntoTomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline. Don't go away. More from Berlin, Germany, here on the Advanced Media Network.